Hi, welcome to Dissolve Chemistry. Dear students, we will discuss the first unit of class 11, that is basic concepts in chemistry. Okay, so in that first thing is why we need to study these basic concepts. So, okay, if you want to build any subject, so we must know the foundation. For example, if you want to study any language, we must know the alphabets of that language. Similar to that, if you want to build a subject, okay, or to know the subject or to learn the subject, you must know some basic aspects of that subject. Okay, so we will go in detail with these basic concepts. So in the present video, we will discuss regarding introduction to basic concepts. Meaning is that here we are going to define what do you mean by chemistry, what is the importance of this chemistry, and why we should study this chemistry. Okay, so basic concepts in chemistry. Okay, so first thing is what is chemistry? Let us define this. Okay, so now what chemistry involves? So chemistry majorly involves the study of structure and properties of these matters. What in what way the matter is being built with and how it is going to give the properties. Okay, so to know all these aspects we are going to study as chemistry. Okay, or it is going to deal with the structure and properties of the matter. The next question arises: what matter comprises? See here, any matter if you take, say for example, if you take water, okay, what it comprises exactly? Okay, as a bulk, we see water, what it is, we can visualize that one. Okay, now what this water is going to comprise? What is the basic unit? Say for example, if you take a wall, okay, of your house, then how it is being built? It is being built with the bricks. Okay, bricks will be the building blocks of the wall. Similar to that, what is the finest unit so with which the matter is being built is that is your atoms and molecules. Okay, so therefore what are atoms and molecules? If you know how they behave, how they give the properties, if you understand, then that involves the study of your chemistry. Okay, so therefore chemistry is the study of what we have said. Matter is made up with finest units. We call it as what? Either atoms or molecules. So therefore, now how we can define? Therefore, chemistry study is nothing but what? Or it is going to involve study of atoms and molecules. What are the structure of these molecules, or what are the structure of these atoms, and how it is going to behave? Okay, why a particular element is going to give a particular type of reaction with different elements. Okay, so all that if you want to know, so we must know the structure and properties of a different atoms of a different elements and different molecules, why they are going to behave differently from one another. Okay, say for example, you can take water. It is going to be formed by combination of hydrogen and oxygen, and it will form water. Okay, so now, so this water, it is having completely different property than compared to its precursors or the elements from which it is being formed. Okay, and that difference, how it is going to arrive, if you want to know, you must know the structure of hydrogen atom, structure of oxygen atom, and as a molecule in the form of water, how it is present. Okay, so therefore you should remember, chemistry involves the study of atoms and molecules, their structure, their properties, and their behavior. Properties includes both physical as well as chemical properties, how it is going to interact with different other substances. Okay, so therefore, what is chemistry? We can conclude as it is the study of atoms and molecules, their properties. Okay, so the next is what is the importance to study? Why we should study this one? We are using water. Okay, we are using many things, right? We are fond with even most of the substance materials, what we call. Okay, all these materials, again, how they are being built and what type of qualities you need. Okay, to know that, we must know the, or we must have the knowledge of the chemistry. Okay, then we will look into what is the importance of this chemistry. Okay, right here, importance. Okay, just you imagine. Okay, So if there is no drugs and medicines, if they are not available in the market, what would be our situation? Okay, and how these molecules are being built, right? These molecules, these are all chemicals, you know that one. Okay, it is being built in the laboratory and later it is synthesized in the large scale. So therefore, how it is being designed? If it is not there, then what it would have been? Okay, mortality rate have been increased to the uh, greater extent without that amenities. And how we have developed all those molecules? When you know the structure and function of each components of our body, okay, then only we can alter and we can bring the changes in that. Okay, so therefore, that is how it is being built. Similarly, you take many materials like plastic, you take metals, you take, okay, and plastic. Even you can imagine, we imagine our life, modern life, without these plastics, and it is being because of the research in the chemistry. So that is what is the product we obtained as polymers, many polymers. Okay, earlier, see, we were used to depend upon only natural polymers such as cotton, silk, wool, like that. Nowadays, the huge population has increased throughout the world. So, therefore, to meet the demand of clothing, fabrics, what we call, so synthetic has added to that, and it has made more cheaply available a lot of polymer materials, that is fabrics, what we can get. Okay, and then you take fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, which has enhanced the production of food products. Okay, you know the green revolution which has happened in our country. So that led to the productivity of a lot of food grains, and which has made us self-reliant, and even we are exporting a lot of food grains to the other countries. This has been because of only these chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Okay, the next important thing is, means our life is completely formed with what? Chemistry. I will tell you. Say, for example, you can take in the technology side, if you take, so earlier the computer used to be very huge. Okay, now it has been reduced to your size of your palm now, and it may reduce. So that we call it as what? Miniaturization of the materials. Miniaturization means the same capacity what the computer used to do, so that our smartphones are doing or not. Okay, so therefore we have the large equipment is made into a small one, that we call it as miniaturization, and it all happens with research in the chemistry. Okay, and as I quoted, agriculture field, drugs and pharmaceuticals, even technology you can take. Okay, all are being, you see the televisions, if you remember, in the olden days it used to be very huge. Now very flat televisions are available, and very beautiful screens are available. This is all because of the research in the material chemistry, what you can uh, appreciate. Okay, the next important thing is this all posing even environmental effects also. And to overcome those environmental effects, again, we are depending upon what? Again, chemistry will give the solution for that. See here, we thought that earlier the refrigerant which are being used, okay, so those chlorofluorocarbons are being replaced with new eco-friendly molecules. That is all happened because of research in the field of chemistry. Similarly, you can take that tetraethyl lead, which is being added as an anti-knocking agent in the petrol earlier, and which used to cause a lot of harmful effects on the health of the human beings. So because of that reason, it is being replaced with other non-leaded anti-cracking agents in the petrols. Okay, so like that, in all aspect, the chemistry research in the chemistry plays a very very important role. Okay, to increase the comfortness of our life, and even to increase our what? Sustainability, okay, and expansion of our lifespan. So in all aspect it is going to help us in greater extent. Okay, so that is all about importance of chemistry. Okay, in the next video we will discuss regarding nature of matter, which we are going to study in two heads. Okay, I hope you have understood what is the importance of chemistry, and hopefully will be loving to study this chemistry. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.